Welcome to my new listing at 445 45th Avenue. This beautiful home sits on a half-acre lot, has a pool, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Come on in and check it out. This home comes with a stunningly remodeled kitchen. Everything is here for the chef. All you have to do is put your own personal touches to it. Not only is this home on a generous half-acre lot, but you have all this shaded area that's screened in to hang out and enjoy the Florida weather. And on really hot days, you've got this beautiful pool.